Okay, so we're on the bottom of page 13, and we are going to do this problem, and it says find the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation for the recorded men's heights. So this is a list of data, and it is the different heights of several different men in inches, and we want to calculate a few things. So starting with the mean, this is how we take the mean. The average, in order to find the average, we're going to add up all of our data. So I'm going to add up all of these numbers. And I'm going to divide it by how many numbers there are. So I'm going to add up 62 plus 64 plus 69 plus 70 plus 70 plus 71 plus 72 plus 73 plus 74 plus 75 plus 77. So that'll take a second, but in your calculator, you will want to do that. And once you do that, you will get 777. So that number came from adding them all up. And I'm going to divide that by how many numbers I actually have. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I add up all the numbers and I divide it by how many numbers I have. And then I'm almost always going to get a decimal for my average, and that's okay. I'm going to go to my calculator. I'm going to do 777 divided by 11. And we are always going to round to one decimal place. So to one decimal place, this will give me 70.6. So my mean here is 70.6. And my mean is my average. So that means the average height of these men is 70.6 inches. Okay. Now I want to find my median, which is my middle number. So before I can do my median, remember we took those notes up here, my median, my numbers have to be in order from least to greatest. And if you take a short look here, you will notice that these numbers are already in order. So I can go ahead and find my median. I'm going to show you the easiest way that I do this. The easiest way that I do this is I go and cut off one from each side. So the first one and the last one, the second one and the second to last one, and so on until I find my middle number, which is 71. So my median here is 71. That's the middle number. My mode is my number that occurs most often. So if I take a look here, I see that the number 70 occurs twice and no other number repeats itself. So my number that occurs the most often is 70. And now my standard deviation. Remember, for standard deviation, I told you that there was this big, long formula, and we would need to do that 11 times, and it's really long. But I'm going to show you a shortcut, and the shortcut is all in your calculator. So for your calculator, you're going to open up the one that we already use. Here's the one we always use. You have to do this on a graphing calculator though. So you go to the one we always use, and then you're going to go to Math Tools at the top, go to Graphing Calculator, and then you will see this, and we want this. We need to put all of our information in a table. So in order to add a table, I'm going to go to Add an Item in the upper left-hand corner. And it's, what do you want to add? Well, I want to add a table because I want to put my table of data here. And so I have all of this data over here, all of my heights, and I need to put that in this first column. I will not touch this second column here, but I'm going to go put all of my data in. So I have 62, oops, enter, 64, enter, 69, 70, 70, and then let me move this over, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, and 77. And then I'm just going to double check and make sure that I have 11 numbers here because that's what I should have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Great. Once you have all 11 numbers here, we're going to scroll down to this second line right here. And I'm going to stop this video and start another one.